guys, I hope you're doing good today. The song we are learning today is a very, very beautiful one. Very beautiful song. The first time I heard it, I was like, wow, I need to play it. I need to cheat it because I'm thinking of you. Yeah, I'm thinking of you every day. So, it's a collaboration between Blick Bessie, a Cameroonian singer, and a French band, I think, named Roseau. And it's kind of bossa nova, very fast-paced bossa nova acoustic, and I love it. So we are going to learn it. But first, you want to subscribe because there's a lot of resources here. You will learn everything about African guitar from Senegal, from Cameroon, from Mali, from South Africa, from Zimbabwe. There's a lot of them, and there's still a lot to come. So subscribe, share the channel, leave a thumb up, leave a thumb up. And for those of you who have been following me and learning from the channel since the first day, thank you very much. You are very, very, very big encouragement. I'm doing this for you. Okay, so that being said, let's start to learn this song. It's kind of difficult, but don't worry, I am there. I will show you everything you need to know. Okay, so see you on the other side. The first part, it's on the F sharp minor, this one. There's a lot going on, but one of the most difficult thing for you will be to play the rhythm. It's bossa nova, a very fast-paced bossa nova. So we are going to start with the rhythm pattern, what the right hand does. It's fast, but it is actually the same thing all over the song. So if you learn it once, you integrate it, you'll have it. This is what you want to do. You have the thumb playing the bass line, and you have those three fingers. Well, you can also use the fourth, but I use those three ones for the middle and the high strings. And let's say this is A and this is B. So you want to have A, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. I hope you are seeing here. So A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. The thumb is switching between two strings. A will do that the whole time. And those three are either playing the three fingers here or the three strings here or the three first strings. So the pattern is A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. You can just learn without the chord, just this way. This is one way to play the bossa nova. So, and when you get it, you can speed up. Speed up. Speed up. Okay, this, you get the idea. And when you have it, you actually have like 50% of, let's say 40% of the song. The second part will be the right hand, the chords here. There's a lot of chords, but we'll see one step at a time. First chord is the F sharp minor. The second one is the A. And then the thumb starts on the E, on the A, fifth string. Sorry. And the E. The third chord will be the B minor. The thumb plays B and F sharp. And you want to do this thing. For beginner, it will be kind of hard. Okay? But practice makes perfect. So don't worry. The fourth chord will be this one. This is a D, C sharp. And then you go back to the F sharp. minor. So you have this is your G sharp, and then back to the F sharp minor. Again the A here, but the thumb starts with the E. The first time the thumb started with the A and then the E, but now for the second round you will start with the E and then the A. This is just the thumb. The rhythm stays the same. And then after this you go to the B flat and D minor, and again C sharp 7. Okay, so now the third time F sharp minor, and then the D, you have to play this D. Actually you don't have to play it, you can also play this one, but I feel like when you play this you have much more control on the strings. The pressure, this is kind of for pop, so you don't really control the strings, but here you have much more control, and it's difficult. It's a barré chord, it's a barred chord. So you do 1, 2, 3, back to the B minor, and then again the C sharp 7. So, and this is actually the end of the part A. So you'll have don't need to do this progression. You can do. The part A is over, is done. Then the part B. The part B is in this key, the B minor. So this is a very beautiful modulation. It goes from the F sharp minor to the 4th degree, so to the B minor, through this chord, the F7. Okay, so the part of the right hand does the same thing over and over, so don't worry about it. Just worry about picking with the thumb the right bass line here. That's what it does. So it's an arpeggio. You pick the string up, the chords up, and this here, and then the B flat and B minor, the E minor, B flat, B minor, and then the C sharp minor, C flat. Okay, and you go to the D major 7. On this C sharp, the thumb, the bass line will be C sharp here and G. So, and then the D, 1, 2, and then you go to the B, to the C sharp 7, and you want to play this chord, this string. That makes a C sharp 7 at 9, but we don't want to bother ourselves with that. So, but here you don't want to play the rhythm, but you are slowing down the song and doing the arpeggio here. The arpeggio will be so 5, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4 times. So and then the next chord will be this one. Very beautiful chord and kind of hard to play. It's a F minor 6th flat. This way. And the last chord of the part B is the F diminished. Okay, so this is where the part B starts. Oh no, that was wrong. Okay,